Okay, let's play a concealer game. I want you to tell me which side you like better. There's no right or wrong answer. Just tell me which side you like better. I'm gonna do this side with a light peach. So a color that pretty much matches my skin tone. And with a little bit of peach, it will help color correct. We don't need a lot. As mature women, we don't need a lot. Okay, and I'm gonna go all the way under the lashes, get the little veins, and then go in and tap it all with my finger. Then what a lot of women like to do is they like to brighten even more. So I'm gonna go in with this light fair cream, and I'm gonna go right here on the inside. You can still see a little bit of purple. Just pat it in with our finger. This is a very thin concealer made for mature eyes, made by a mature woman. I'm not putting a lot on, but I want to show you two different ways to wear concealer. Again, no right, no wrong. You tell me which one you like better. Ooh, we're bright. Okay, now on this side, I go in with a slightly deeper color. This is a beige. I'm gonna get a little bit in the brush. That's probably even too much, just a little bit in the brush. And I'm gonna go on this side. This side is not as light and bright. I'm gonna go where my inner darkness is, where I have purple and a little bit of red and blue. Little blue vein, go out to the outer eye, and with my ring finger, I like to bring it down to the top of the cheek and down the side of the nose a little bit. But you notice on this side, I did not take it under the lashes. I left my lower eyelid kind of nude. And which side do you like better? Again, there's no right or wrong answer, but I'll tell you what I prefer. I don't like bringing concealer on the lower eyelid. If you have a lower eyelid, not everyone does, because I think this makes my eye look bigger. It helps round out my eye a little bit. It almost looks like I'm wearing a little bit of eyeliner, but I have no eye makeup under my eye. And I think when we do a slightly deeper color and use less of it, it blends more in with the skin and it doesn't show any puffiness. It just looks more natural to me. But I know a lot of women really like this kind of like 90s and 2000s way of doing it, really light and bright. You tell me in comments which you think looks better. I think this way is more youthful.